About thousands to millions of people are probably searching for the easiest way to make money right now. While it may be hard to find legitimate websites and videos that will help you search for real money-making websites, consider yourself lucky because today you just have come across the channel that will help you make money in the most convenient way possible. You don't need to spend a dime, and this does not require any technical skills because this website that we're about to tell you is going to help you earn money for free. Perhaps you have tried going through your emails to keep up with the latest updates or to organize the files that you need. How amazing would it be if the exact same thing that you're doing for free is actually what's going to help you earn money? Yes, you heard that right. All along, you've been reading emails for free, but with this method, it's going to rain money and you can earn as much as $750 and even more. Open those emails and voila! You have just gained a happy bank account. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most convenient way possible. So make sure to stay tuned. In this age of technology, there is no doubt that emails and other platforms are now widely used to secure your financial status. Imagine opening one email and getting money out of it. I know some of you may have doubts about this because this method honestly seemed too good to be true, but you can see further into this video about how legitimate this site is. All you need is your cell phone or your computer and your Wi-Fi or data connection. Complex instructions is out of the questions because we are about to give you the most simple and understandable process of boosting your income. More than that, we will be providing another bonus tip on how to earn money even in your sleep with this method, where you know more about those piles of bills that keep notifying you early in the morning. Because with this technique, you are about to see numbers in your bank account constantly moving up. If you're one of those people who dream of such opportunities, join us as we go straight into the video. Just to make sure that everything goes smoothly, you have to make sure that you have a PayPal account to be able to pay out and an email where you will be receiving the emails that you are going to read. Still don't have a PayPal? You can simply make your account for free. Make it under the personal account. Next, you have to identify if you're a freelancer, a buyer, etc. You will also be asked for your number and other necessary information for you to create one. Another thing you have to secure is your email account. We recommend you to use Yahoo for this one. You can either search Yahoo Mail on Google and select the first one on the list or directly go to mail.yahoo.com. You can also use Gmail if you want. You can download both apps on Apple Store and Google Play. If you already have these applications, you're good to go. You will be able to receive the mails to read and money would start coming right in. But if you don't, you can sign up for free. Upon clicking Create an Account on Yahoo, you will be asked for your full name, Yahoo Mail, password, and birth year. The same process with Gmail, and you will be asked for the purpose of creating your account, and you will provide the necessary information asked. Now, here's where the revelation comes in. All you have to do is go to paidtoreademail.com. Upon doing so, you will see a website that looks like this. At the upper corner is the Sign Up and Sign In button. You also have here the Home, Survey, Frequently Asked Questions, and details about the website. So, you might ask, how does this really work? As you scroll down, you can see right here that the general process involves signing in, reading email, and boom! Cash is in. Once you sign up, you will choose your gender, give your name, email, and password, and of course, click the Sign Up button. You will be directed to the page where you once again have to fill the details asked. Tick on the Terms and Conditions box and CAPTCHA and click Sign Me Up. Now the best thing about this is, once you are able to activate the account, you will instantly earn $3 as a sign-up bonus. You can really see that the $3 is quickly updated on your dashboard stats. Further below, you can see that there are a lot of other offers such as this one. There are cash surveys where you can earn $0.50 to $1. Click on the Earn More with Your Opinions button and you will be directed right here, which offers you a wide range of opportunities. And take note, this will not take half an hour to complete. Here are your surveys and opinion survey, which is unlimited, and you can take as much as you want and earn every time you answer one survey. But, as you observed, the Dynata survey is limited to 10 surveys per day, as well as the survey time, which has a limit of once a day. So what you want to do is make sure that you log in daily and answer all these surveys with limitations. A Dynata survey costs $0.50, and if you can finish all 10, then you get $5 plus 1 from survey time. You get $5.40 in total. This doesn't cost 10 minutes of your time to complete. On top of that, if you want to earn even more, you can answer the remaining surveys without limitations. As you continue to log in every day and answer more surveys, you will be able to receive offers of $1 to $5 per survey. Just wow! And to think that this is just a side job, not yet even the main source of income that we are about to teach you later. If you also click on the cash offers under the cash survey, you can see a lot more surveys that you can complete. This will be your extra income. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated. Before going into how to earn money by reading emails, activate your opportunity to have a passive income by referring your friends. If you click More on the upper tab, you can see the Refer Friends. Once you refer your friends, you will be credited 15% of their earnings. Imagine being able to earn while sleeping. Now, here comes the highlight of the video. As you can see, here at the last portion, all you have to do is click on the Earn More Reading Emails button. Be sure that you already have activated your email account. Once you do so, you will be receiving emails which you have to read. Go to your email and there you can see emails that contain the websites that you have to go to. You can click on the picture or even the button if there is one available. Instructions may be given, but most of the time, all you have to do is click the link and read. Actually, you don't really have to read them since no one's going to know that you didn't really read it, right? All you have to do is stay on the website for around 40 seconds to 1 minute, depending on the length of the assigned task to read. Remember to keep scrolling up and down as if you're actually reading to make sure that you will be credited with the money. Mostly, when you just have started, you can actually get tasks of reading emails for $0.45 to $0.50. But as you continue doing this activity, more opportunities will be given and you can be offered even greater money, even up to $7 per survey. Once you earn as low as $15, that's the time that you will be able to cash out. Say goodbye to late paid bills. Hello, financial security. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. See you in the next one!